Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam and Isaac here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a startup, walk around, and a drive video for you on a 1954 Chevrolet 210 sedan. Now this gorgeous little car is finished in yellow with a white top. Very, very sharp car. This is a driver car. Is it perfect? No. It runs and drives very well. Power steering, disc brakes. Just a very, very nice, clean, cool looking car. I'll show you underneath the hood. There we go. Aluminum radiator, aluminum valve covers, Edelbrock or Holley aluminum intake, long tube headers, Edelbrock carburetor. I don't think they're long tubes, they're just like shorties. They look like long tubes, but electric fan, like I say, aluminum radiator, electric wipers, HEI ignition, wide white wall tires with the Coker wide white wall tires with the rally wheels with the caps and beauty rings. Car's got all the stainless trim down the sides of it. The stainless trim is in nice shape. Chrome door handles in nice shape. Interior, bucket seats, chrome tilt. I did it, steering column, new carpeted. Seats have been all redone. It's got odometer gauges in it. Odometer shows 3,278 miles on the car. It's got a retro radio in it. Automatic shifter on the floor. Low car gas pedal. All the lace and stuff has been replaced. Headliner looks great. A little loose there, but headliner's in really good shape. Package tray, 2 6x9s back there. Rear panels, very nice. All the glass is in good shape on the car as well. Left turn, right turn, bright headlight indicator, horn. Can't get the radio to turn on. Panels are nice. I was going to put a different set of wheels and tires on this car, but I chose not to. Not sure why that reverse lights are on. Sounds great. Got a healthy little small block in it. Imagine it's just a small block 350 turbo transmission. I don't know if it's bored out, if it's a 355 or what it is, but sounds good. Got a nice sounding cam in it. We're not going to price this car for a lot of money. It's probably going to be priced at $29,900 or $32,900, somewhere in that vicinity. Got to look and see what we have in it after all is said and done. Another signal on for you. I don't see any bubbles or blistering down on the bottom of the car, the quarter panels, the doors. It's got a small little crack right here in the paint, and it's got a small little crack right here, right below the door handle. And it's been touched up here. It's got a little touch-up spots right here on the leading edge of the hood. I don't know why the backup lights are on. Must have to adjust the switch a little bit. That's a good thing, because most of the time the backup lights don't work on these older cars. Like I say, it's got a hell of a good sound to it. We'll take her out for a little cruise here. I haven't even driven this car yet, so it'll be its maiden voyage for me and her. Her and I. All the gauges seem to work. Speedometer works, temp, fuel, oil pressure, voltage, yeah, it all works. I think we got to figure out the radio and the wipers, and then why we probably have to adjust that neutral safety switch a little bit. Super cool car. Somebody's really gonna love this car for right around that 30 grand mark. Say I have to look up and see what we have in the car before I price it for sure, but beautiful, beautiful summer August day here in Iowa. My YouTube channel by hitting that little red button if you have not already. And those of you who have subscribed, I really appreciate that. Helps us better our business and better serve our customers. So I hope you all have a great afternoon. It's almost 5 and I'm going to call it a day. So have a great afternoon, great evening with the family. And I'll be back with you here probably the end of the week. I got a lot of things going on. I was trying to get all my pictures and videos done today, so I'll be back with you probably Thursday or Friday. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching.